To ensure your hyperlinks work properly after downloading a PDF from Canva, start by selecting the text, image, or button you want to link. Click the More icon and choose Link, then paste the full URL including the HTTPS prefix. Avoid leaving out the prefix, as that can break the link. Keep underlines active or use a standard link style because some PDF readers fail to recognize hidden link metadata. When you are ready to export, click Share and then Download. Enter file type, choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. Look for the Flatten PDF option and make sure it is toggled OFF. Flattening merges all layers into a flat image and removes all hyperlinks. After downloading, open the PDF in a dedicated reader like Adobe Acrobat or Foxit Reader, not in the Canva editor. Click your links to verify they were. If a link still fails, go back to Canva, delete the broken link, paste the full URL again, and re-download with flattening turned off.